Hello, this is Wayne Crowell. Congratulations on purchasing Chatmat Profitz. Now, the most important thing on this journey is setting yourself up for long-term success. You've got the bot, you've got the sequence that works, you've got the product that works, you've got the training that's going to take you through everything. You will send traffic to it and you will build your bot list and make sales. Now, the important thing is once you've built that list, you want to keep sending broadcasts to it. But there's a certain way of doing this so you don't get banned. There's certain products you should send to increase your commissions. And at the end of the day, who wants to keep spending on traffic just to make commissions on the front end when you can keep making commissions over and over again from the same people? You're in luck because on our masterclass, we're going to show you exactly how to do that. We're going to show you how to keep sending to your list. We're going to show you how to bypass some of the rules that Facebook have in place, and we're going to show you how to make those commissions over and over again. This is a one-off masterclass. We will not run this again. This is techniques we do not want to share with the world. These are things that can really make the difference. So you're going to join me and the guy that does my chatbots on this masterclass. There's 2 masterclasses of 2 hours long. You get to ask questions and you get to set up your business for long-term success. Who wants to create a business where you send traffic and it gives you commissions straight away when you can keep making commissions from the same people? Just imagine building a massive list of chatbot subscribers that you can keep sending messages to over and over and over again without making any of the mistakes that we made. To join us, simply click the link below. You'll be taken to the link where you can sign up for the masterclasses. You can have us look over the chatbots you've already put in place, and we're going to tell you how to absolutely smash this niche. So click below. Do not miss this. There are limited spaces, and we will not do this again. I'm going to see you on the inside.